In this video, what we are going to do is we are going to understand the plan production process. Currently, I have opened my understanding plan production process drawing. So first what we did was we created view frames. So if I go here, we had view frames and they were at 600 meter intervals. So what happens here is Civil 3D divided my alignment into 600 meter intervals along the alignment. So how we get this 600 meter value? So our scale of the drawing is 1:2000. So if I go to my plan production template, this length is 345. So that is for 1:1000 scale. So if you go for 1:2000 scale, this should be multiplied by 2. In other words, this is 690 meters. You can, in the viewport, you can show 690 meters. So if you can remember, while creating the view frames, we are setting the view frames to the nearest 100th value. So nearest 100 means we have 690. So we cannot show 700 even though it is nearest 100th value. Maximum 690, because this is 345 into 2, it is 690. So nearest 100th value is 600 meters. So that is why these view frames are divided into 600 meter sections. So that is how we get that 600 meter section. So after we divided this into 600 meter sections, what Civil 3D does is it gets the plan view at 600 meters and it gets the same profile view at 600 meter interval. So you can see it is coming here 0, 0 and it is going up to 100, and this side also going up to 100 up to the match line. So after the match line, that part relates to the other sheets. Up to this match line, we have this drawing. We have data in this drawing because we don't have profile data after 600. Even though we check the plan beyond 600, we don't have values in the profile. So we should not read anything beyond the match line. And this match line station is we have 600. So we read only up to that point. So after that, we go to the other sheet. And this sheet also we should not read before the 600, it should be after 600 and up to 1200 likewise. Then we have to understand what is meant by this north arrow. So if I move here, you can see my view frame is rotated in a horizontal position because it is current. First, this view frame, if you see here, this view frame is at this angle. Now when we are weaving it in the layout, it is rotated to this angle because we are seeing it horizontally. So usually this north value is at the upward direction. North value is at the upward direction. So when you rotate this one, your north arrow will be rotating like this side. It will, if you rotate this one to this side to get it horizontal, your north arrow is also rotating to the right side. You can see it here. Now your north arrow is rotated slightly to this direction. So this is how you know our view frame is rotated from the initial position. This is also same. It is rotated. Then this one is rotated further than the previous two. So that is why we need a north arrow here, because we need to understand the actual direction of the road or the alignment. That is why we are using this north arrow. Always we are rotating the view frame at the horizontal direction. So to get the real directions, we need this north arrow. So now we know what is the plant production process and how it is happening. So we have separate sheets because for easy viewing, because we cannot check this all 1,500 meter at once, because it will have problems when we are plotting. So for the easiness of plotting, we are changing it to 600 meter intervals because of this 1:2000 scale, right? So that is how the things happening in plant production process. Now I think most of you have the understanding what we have done up to this point, because before this video we have blindly done everything up to this point without knowing what is happening inside. Now after doing all these things, now we know what has happened up to this point in the real process. So this is about plant production. In the next video we will see how to export this drawing to a export this drawing to a AutoCAD file to do some minor modifications.
Thank you for watching our channel. Please like, share and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to press on bell icon.